Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Gyaani and in this series of videos I am solving Hackerrank Python challenges. So our today's challenge is AI mathematics. Let's see the task. Here you are given two integer arrays a and b of dimension n cross m. Our task is to perform the following operations, means addition, subtraction, multiplication, integer division, mod and power on A and B. Now let's see the input format. The first line contains two space integers n and m. The next n line contains the integers of A and the next line contains the integers of A, B. And our task is to perform the result of each operation in the given order. Okay, let's see the sample input. N is 1 and m is 4. So the elements of A is this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 are the elements of A, B. Now we have to perform this on the corresponding entries, means 1 and 5, 2, 6, 3, 7 and 4, 8. So let's see for the addition operation. So 1 plus 5 which is 6, 2 plus 6 which is 8, 3 plus 7 which is 10 and 4 plus 8 which is 12 and so on for every operation. Here let's take our input of n and m is equals to map integer comma input dot split. Now for the inputs of our array, a is equals to numpy dot array. In that we are going to use the list comprehension. So list map integer comma input dot split and for I in range of n. Okay, now we have our input of array A. So let's just copy this for our array B too. So Control C, Control V, Control V and just change A to B. Now we can perform our task on these arrays. Print. First I have to perform A plus B, A subtraction B, A multiplication B, and what was the other three? Let's see. Integer division, mod and power. Okay. So integer division, mod and power. So A is to B. Okay. And I want to separate each answers by backslash n. Means I want every answer on a new line. Okay. So let's run our code and see what we get. Our sample test case 0 is successfully run. So let's submit our code. Our all test cases is successfully run. If you like this video, then don't forget to click like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to receive our latest video updates. And if you want to see my source code, the link is in the description box below. Thank you.